with regards to ultrasound, it utilizes a frequency that is beyond the sound waves that we can appreciate. Ultrasonic energy. So ultrasound. The ultrasound siya pag we can appreciate the sound. It's more ang mga lower species rin observe ng energy there. So with regards to this ultrasonic principle, so it utilizes this ultrasonic principle wherein certain crystal is being made to vibrate to produce this energy. So crystal you vibrate na to produce this ultrasonic energy. So there's vibration there na ma-produce niya. So with this vibration, it can cause micro-massage effect. So say micro-massage, you're familiar with massage. So massage for micro, siya pinag-massage. Okay, makapil. And then because of this vibration and micro-massage effect, it can also develop, it can convert to another form of energy. Because the micro-massage is more of mechanical energy. It can also convert another form of energy to thermal energy, so heat. So because of the vibration, mag-rub against each other ang structure inside, so it can now cause rubbing or friction, so mo-heat up siya. When siya, it can cause thermal effects. So thermal effects, so heat up ang structure. With regards to this thermal effect, it can heat up further deeper structure. May naka-advantages compared sa other heating modalities na maka-reach a deeper structure ultrasound. So one of the deep heating modalities. What we have learned katong before are superficial heating modalities. So superficial is more at the level of the skin. But with regards to ultrasound, it can benefit further beyond the skin. It can even further benefit towards the muscle, towards the joints, and even it can reach to certain bony parts. So Malaysia, if you want to heat up more deeper structure, you have to use deep heating modalities. And one of this is your ultrasound. So all those structure na maagian sa ultrasonic energy can be heated up. So gikan na siya sa skin, so expect na ma-heat up niya kung ang skin further down. Okay, clear? Any questions? So, with regards to the cases, ultrasound is still the same when you have one with your superficial heating modalities, mga conditions. Although, there are additional conditions to heat up sa ultrasound because it can heat up now deeper structures. Like, efficient siya, very effective sa muscle contracture, joint contracture. So, itong mga superficial, ito siya effective for muscle contracture, joint contracture pain. At the level of the skin, naman siya, mag-benefit. But when you have deep heating modalities, pwede na siya further go deeper. So, ano siya, definition siya mag-deeper ng mga cases more as compared to superficial. Heating thermal effects and so for pain relief, for hastening the healing process, increased tissue extensibility, and other additional features of ultrasound. We have what we call as your phonophoresis, wherein certain medication can be introduced to the tissue using your ultrasonic energy. We call that your phonophoresis. So, ang medication na i-introduce to the tissue. Alright, here. Questions so far. So, we have introductions to ultrasound. So, we have four modalities here in ultrasound, but